Evolution of the SV Brick Shop Lego Room. Before, crappy walls, floors that are worn out and disgusting ceiling. Hardly a place to maintain a business. Phase 1. Installation of new OSB walls and Gyprock ceiling. I was thinking of leaving the color of the walls like this, but my wife talked me out of it. I am happy that she did. Phase 2. Painting walls and ceiling and put in new flooring. Everything looks so much clearer and brighter, truly a delight. Phase 3. Mounting bins, moving everything back inside. Reopen Bricklink and Brickle stores. I couldn't be more happier with the result. There is even room for expansion. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video.